What a nice day outside. I'm just gonna, I got some things in the garage to tackle. Let's just see how it's looking. What the, dude? What did you do to your garage, man?
Huh?
Shout out Young Swish.
All right, we got the engine on for the engine stand. That was very stressful.
Yeah, that was something else, man.
And now we gotta flip her over. Check out the underneath, how it's doing.
Take a look at the bottom end.
Yeah. Let's get to it. Well, found your issue, bud. You got a hole. Couple holes, eh?
Oh yeah, bud.
So what's next?
All right, let's pull the oil pan and I guess see if there's any damage inside. I hope not, but you don't know until we pull it off, right?
True. All right. See you in a bit. So we took off the oil pan. How's it look?
Looks good so far. What's that? Let me
We have one bolt that got
yeah, it was
sheared.
just sheared because of the accident. So just trying to pull that one out. So we need to order one oil pan bolt.
That's so annoying. Can you even get one?
Yeah.
Just want to do shit?
Yeah.
She looks pretty dang good.
Yeah, we're gonna spin it. We're gonna take a look at everything, but that one's garbage.
Gasket.
Gasket I'll pull.
Yeah.
So satisfying.
Very satisfying. So you want to crank this?
Yeah, and we'll start looking at the bearings, the rod bearings.
Cool.
They're pretty good, really good actually.
Let me see it.
I just want to see, one sec, I'm going to pull the bearing out completely. I'll give it to you, Ian. I just want to see if it's been replaced. They've been replaced. I love this engine. There, I don't have to spend the money.
I don't
Wow.
think they've been replaced.
Yeah, they have.
How can you tell? Just because of wear and tear?
Huh?
Rod bearings on the engine last forever.
No, not on this engine. That's the thing that you have to do on this engine.
So wait, why wouldn't you just put new ones in anyways?
You could, but
Why would you though?
you could, but
Why
there's no
would you
need.
not? Because you get more life out of them, though.
Once they've been replaced with the aftermarket ones that they're supposed to
Oh,
be,
then they're bulletproof?
they're, yeah, bulletproof.
Ah.
He's been replaced.
So you're
Unfucking
good.
real with BD bearings, the best ones. There won't be any sign of the ability. I'm gonna find it one second. We're gonna pull everything off of the engine that we can to take the valve covers off. So the fuel rail's in the way, the ignition coils are in the way, cam and intake and exhaust cam sensors are in the way. Whatever these are, I think these are like PCV or something. I don't know what they are. So yeah, we gotta get all that off. We can pull the valve covers, and that's when we get down to the real business. That's when we get the real business. Okay, so these are all labeled. We can pop these, pull them all out. I'm gonna toss them in here.
Say something for the birthday boy.
Happy birthday. Wish you many kisses and hugs.
Nice. And Harmon, something for the birthday boy.
Who's the birthday boy?
Oh, just, you know, okay, happy birthday. let's crack the egg open.
What with them? No, it is cool.
It's very perfect. It actually looks mint. Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, now what?
Gotta do the same on the other side.
Okay.
Gotta pull these plates off. Right here, I'll do that right now actually.
Okay.
So we can get the timing tools on. We gotta take the timing chain off. Take both the Vanos units off. And then flip it over again and get to the crank. There we go.
The fuck was that, man?
The door creaked.
The door,
Yeah.
It wasn't those beans you just munched. This guy sent it with the beans.
We can try to pull the Vanos unit off, which is gonna be
Interesting.
very interesting.